ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ओम ब्रह्म ब्रह्मस्पते नमः नो ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायण. Good evening dear viewers, welcome to Nakshatra Nadi, the astral science program. As I was specifying every day, August 1st we have our class in English version. So those who are interested to class, they can join. There will be two batches, one morning 10 to 12, evening 7 to 9. 2 hours class for 15 days, and app also will be provided, not to worry. Let me take few calls. A lot of calls are coming from the back end, they are just telling me. Let me take few calls. Namaste. Hello. Good evening. Hello. Hello. Tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
I wanted to ask about the marriage thing
Yeah, tell me.
of my sister.
Okay, calling from which place, madam?
I am from Kolhapur.
Kolhapur. Okay. Tell me the date of birth.
10th
10.
February 1993.
Time of birth.
7:40 a.m.
Place of birth.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. So you are looking for the question based on for marriage, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us see the dasha. Rahu dasha is running for you till 2023 Venus. Rahu combination, let us see 110. The dasha is quite difficult because of 1-5-10 combination, where alliance will not be able to come to the right conclusion here. But the Bhukti is supporting you, because Bhukti by default Venus gives marriage. I would suggest maximum, I would suggest the timeline, a second, 7 and 7, Moon and Jupiter. Moon and Jupiter will close, okay. By 2022 February to 2022 July, marriage will happen next year, nothing to worry, okay. But I would suggest not to be selective. Hello. At the remedial front, kindly wear one moonstone, right hand ring finger, and I would suggest to donate radish for at least for 3 months every week, Saturday to any poor people. So marriage in store is given 2022 February onwards, within July. Okay, good luck. Namaste. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Hello, Guruji. Thank you for giving us very useful information through this program, Guruji.
Oh, really? Thank you. Okay, okay.
My date of birth is 29/8.
Okay.
1999.
Okay.
Time of birth is 7:30 p.m.
Okay. Place of birth.
Tiptur, Karnataka.
Great. Kindly just tell me what is the question you are looking for.
Guruji, currently I am in my 8th semester chemical engineering.
Okay.
I wanted to ask, when will I get job?
So when are you going to complete?
This July. Guruji.
This July. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me look at till October. Moon is there. Post that Mars. Ketu Moon, Ketu Mars. Let me see at Mars. Mars is quite weak. Rahu is very powerful. Next year March onwards, you will be in a very lucrative job. Really excellent job, because Mars is throwing 6 number, and 6 is very powerful. You will be placed in a very good position, but you will be placed post 2022 March, maximum by April. This is a very wonderful time. 23 April tak hai, not to worry. Post March only you will be able to get into the job. So Rahu is in the nakshatra of Mercury, and Mercury, kindly wear a green color thread. This is the first suggestion I would like to give. And also you can Jupiter is also strong, 2, 10, 11 in secondary, and Sun is also very good. So kindly wear one right hand mein index finger yellow sapphire. Next year March you will be placed in a very good position. Good luck. Namaste.
Namaste.
Tell me, madam.
Sir, myself is Asha. I'm calling from Bangalore.
Yeah.
Sir, I wanted to ask about myself.
Yeah. Tell me date of birth.
14 September
Okay.
1980.
Mm-hmm.
Timings is morning 7:10, sir. And the place of birth is
7?
Bangalore, sir. 7:10 a.m.
Place of birth.
Bangalore, sir.
Okay. Question.
About my marriage life, sir. Currently it's in trouble. That's why I wanted
Let me
to
see.
ask, sir.
Mercury Dasha is going across till 2023 Venus. Let us see Mercury 110, 211, 2911, Venus 2911. There might be trouble, but it will not go away. There is no divorce combination here. Okay?
But it has gone to court, sir. That's why
You-
I'm asking.
Whatever it might be, it will delay a lot. They will ask you people to withdraw.
Okay.
So
Thank you very much, sir.
when was this applied?
It's going from long 1 year, sir.
There will be a compromise and they will come back. This is what the combination says, but the other party also have to see how strong it is. Here 50% I am telling this will not proceed for divorce so easily. So easily. If you want to live, I can give you a mantra.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
You want to don't want this alliance?
I want this, sir. I want to keep. That's why I've called.
Acha. That's what this also is showing. Okay, because I thought that you are not interested in this.
No, sir. I am interested.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I have not applied for the court. They only gone by force.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm asking this.
That's what these numbers are showing. 2, 11. This will not easily leave the wedlock, whatever happened. Okay. These are all the wedlock. Only 1 is affecting here. That is affected by Mercury. Mercury is giving a little bit of obstacles in certain planets. But his planetary position might be very bad. But yours is actually keeping him tied, just like with a rope. You don't leave me and go, you be here only. Okay, just donate green gram. Every Wednesday, kindly donate green gram for next 3 months without fail, every week. That is the first suggestion. And chant this mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Nama Om. And kindly wear one Basra pearl. I would suggest you to wear Basra pearl because moon is very strong, 211, having 211 Basra pearl. And also suggest to wear 3-face Rudraksh. This will keep the marriage intact. Okay. And I would suggest one mantra, Om, your husband name, Pati Asya Akarshaya Swaha, so that at least he will change his mind and withdraw and come back. Om, his name, Pati Asya Akarshaya Swaha, you can use. Unlimited you chant. Good luck. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
My date of birth is 3/7/2005.
3/7/2005.
6:40 a.m.
Place.
Hole Narsipura.
No, question.
Guruji, I wanted to ask about my education. My 10th is completed now. So for what basis I should go on PUC or what I should take?
See,
so
till
that
okay, got it. Till 2023 you are running this Mars Dasha, okay, which will get over in 2 years. But what is important is the Rahu Dasha, because that will complete your second PUC, your degree and your career also will be taken care till for 2041. Rahu is showing 10-1-10. Under Rahu, let me see what is the combination 3-6-7-9-10-11, 1-4-3-6-7-9-10-11. Education combination is quite great, not to worry. Would you be liking to go for engineering? Hello? Hello? Okay, if you are liking to go for engineering, take up this combination of BE plus MBA, because 10th house is the house of management, MBA. Or else, if you are looking for something else which is more N2. Go for BBA plus MBA. Because the combination is a winning combination of 6, 10, 11, 6, 10, 11. You can also crack administrative services. That is also there, but the hit theory is not powerful in certain areas, but very good combination is there in Rahu Dasha. After 2023, most of the combination comes under the administrative ability, where you will be into management. You study anything, you will get into management. That's what is showing here. Good luck. Namaste.
Yeah, Namaste Guruji. How are you?
Fine, sir. Your name, good name?
Yeah, my name is Srikant Mohanty.
Calling from?
I'm calling from Koraput, Odisha.
Oh, Odisha. Oh, great. You are watching my program?
Yeah, so every day at 10:30 I ping into.
Great. Okay. Yeah, tell me your date of birth.
Yeah, my date of birth is 8 October 1995.
8th October.
Yeah, 1995.
95.
Yes, sir.
Time of birth?
It's 7:25 a.m.
Place of birth?
It's Koraput, Odisha.
K-U?
Koraput.
Koraput. Okay. Odisha. Got it.
Yeah. So, sir, I'm working as an IT professional since last 2 years.
Okay.
But I can't see any growth and any opportunities till now. Although I have some opportunities, but those opportunities are, I can't grab that. Someone else takes those. And also, I'm not seeing any on-site opportunities for now. So, is there any chances for me there?
Okay, let me consider this Ketu Guru till 2022 and let us see the progress thereon. Okay. Let me consider Ketu Guru, which is running across. Ketu is showing house of 12th house. So 12th house shows you have to be in software company, multinational company. Okay.
Yeah.
After Ketu, you will be running with Venus. 24 onwards, you will be abroad, sir. 2024 onwards, you will be abroad. You can be settling there for next at least 20 years. Let me see at the growth factor. 12 house is not there. There is a very medium growth. It's not a very high growth, medium growth. Step by step you will go. Don't worry about it. Let us see next after Shani, how is Saturn performing. Saturn will increase your income. Tanka increase karega. Okay. 22 January onwards, within 23 March, your salary or wherever you are, there is a hike in your salary during the next Bhukti. You will grow here. This is a very good combination in Mars. So you have to wait till 2022. Post 2022, 3 to 6 months time, you will have a good success there. Nothing to worry, but 2024 onwards, a very good combination is there for going on site. Okay. All the best. For career growth, I suggest you to wear one 9-face Rudraksh and right hand index finger for money, creation of wealth. Kindly wear one yellow sapphire. Good luck. Namaste.
Hello, Namaskara.
Namaskare.
My name is Ramachandran.
Ramachandran. Tell me, sir.
Calling from Bangalore.
Yeah.
My date of birth you want?
Yeah, tell me, sir. Through that only I can able to.
Yes, 13th March, 1971.
Time of birth?
11:30 a.m.
11:30 a.m. Okay. Place of birth is Bangalore?
No, Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. So what is the question, sir?
So how is my job situation? Last 4 or 5 years I don't have job.
Guru has just ended. Okay. Guru was just in the fag end. Guru Rahu was there. Rahu, I think Guru was quite good, sir. Only in the fag end you have suffered. That's it. Guru Dasha started very well and ended very bad.
Yes, it was.
So let us look at the next Dasha, which is Saturn. Saturn will get back you what you have lost.
Oh, great. Okay.
It will get back you what you have lost, but it will take some time because the start of the Dasha will be on the runway. Probably you will take complete hand holding post 24, but you can see a change post this November. Post this 2021 November, you will start getting new offers, and it will take some time to take off. From 24 onwards, again you will be in limelight with name, fame, everything, whatever you are earlier, whichever field you were in, because name, fame you will get back in Saturn, the strongest name. Jupiter would have taken you high, low, high, and crashed landed, but Saturn will keep on rising in this way. Good luck, sir. 19 years, you can enjoy life, nothing to worry, especially on the career front. The combination is great, 9, 10, 12, 1, 6, 9, 2, 5, 10. Okay? Very good. Namaste. Hello. Kindly, I request all the viewers who are watching and who are calling, just take this classes. It's a wonderful class. There will be a lot of confidence you will gain. And yeah, tell me, sir. Sir, Hindi little bit difficult. Hindi,
sir. I told English.
yeah, English. You can talk in English. Boliye, sir. You are calling from Delhi.
From Delhi.
Okay.
My daughter name is Richa Anand.
Yeah, okay. Date of birth?
Date of birth is 27 September 93.
27
September 93.
1993. Okay, great. Time of birth?
Place of birth Delhi.
Okay.
Times जो है कहना मैं 8:22.
AM, PM?
8:22 PM.
Oh, it's evening. Okay, night.
Night.
Okay. What is the question? Question
might ask marriage purpose.
Marriage. Okay. You have started looking for alliance now?
Hello, sir.
Sir, you have started looking for alliance now? Yeah, okay. 27, 28 year now. Okay. Let me look at what is the combination. Currently,
27 September.
okay. Guru Dasha is running. गुरु दशा चल रहा है अभी. शुक्र भुक्ति 22 जुलाई तक रहेगा.
अच्छा जी.
सो जुपिटर में 6 का नंबर आ रहे हैं. 6 का नंबर बोलेगा वो नेगेटिव है, शादी के लिए नेगेटिव है. इट इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट सर. द कॉम्बिनेशन इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. हियर यू शुड नॉट लुक आउट फॉर मैच मेकिंग सर. Match making will be quite difficult. Most of the cases you might have started looking for an alliance not less than 2 years. But here the combination is quite difficult, sir. The married life and all is showing a lot of negativity. I would suggest you to give you some suggestion. Kindly wear एक middle finger को one gomedak, which is known as golden hesonite, she has to wear. And I will give a one small chanting, because this combination shows little bit of chanting is important, required. And Mars Bhukti. Shukra will give marriage. Next year within July she will get married. But with lot of difficulty she will get married, because the combination is quite negative. It negates the perspective of the people coming and the other thing. So she has to wear one Gomedika to middle finger and chant this mantra Om Shreem Shriyai Namaha. Okay, this is for the gents. Sorry, I will change the mantra. Om Satpatim Dehi Parameshwara. Om Satpatim Dehi Parameshwara. Sorry, Om Satpatim Dehi Parameshwara. So here I would also suggest for a donation, because what to donate? Mars is quite weak and Mercury is also weak. Please donate tur dal for every Tuesday for next 3 months. It will reduce the negative intensity here. Quite difficult, but after the marriage also she should be keep on chanting. Good luck anyway. God bless. Namaste. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, when we have to give, sir, that one?
Hello. I am Dinesh Guruji. You are calling.
Yeah, sir. Hi, sir. Hello.
Tell me. You are talking to the back end people.
Yeah, sir. Myself, Deepika.
Yeah. You're call. Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
I asked for myself, sir.
Yeah.
27.
I'll tell for yourself only. Don't worry.
Exciting, sir. Call.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Excitement will happen when you call.
Okay.
It's like a luck factor
Yeah,
when
sir.
you get a call. Don't worry. Call will get disconnected. Let us finish the call.
Excited, so.
Tell me.
Sir, my date of birth is 27,
27,
10,
10,
1997, sir.
1997. Okay. Time of birth.
Time of birth 7, exact I don't know, sir. 7:30 to 8 o'clock.
You do one thing. You go for Prashna Shastra. Tell me what is your question.
Sir, my marriage is, marriage is delayed for me.
Tell me one number from 1 to 249. 1 to 249. Between 1 to 249.
49. 6, sir.
6. Okay, marriage. Okay. Based on the current Prashna Shastra which we are looking at, Saturn Dasha is running till 2022 June Rahu. Saturn will give marriage, not to worry, 12-2. Rahu will also give marriage. Marriage life is very good, don't worry. Okay. Within 22 June, the marriage will get over.
Oh, okay, sir.
Even if that is not there, don't worry. The marriage is excellent. Don't have any worry.
My future, sir?
That's what is future. No, after marriage, that is only your future.
Okay.
My future.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, good luck. The combination based on the Prashna Shastra is coming excellent. Here and there will be issue on the ego front. So I would suggest you to donate gingerly oil. Gingerly oil on Saturday and banana to poor people on Thursday for at least 3 months. You will have a happy married life. Nothing to worry. Okay, namaste.
Guruji,
Namaste.
I am calling from Malleshwaram, Bangalore.
Oh, Malleshwaram. How is Malleshwaram, madam?
I got connection, but current gone here.
So you are complaining here, or I should go inform
In our
Bescom?
area, in our area.
Oh, your area current is gone. Our area current is there, madam, here.
Yeah, I see. Guruji, my date of birth is 11/11/71.
Okay, 71. Time of birth?
12:30 Thursday.
12:30 midnight or
No, morning.
afternoon? 12:30 is afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay. Place of birth?
11/11/71.
Place of birth. Place.
Mysore.
Okay. What is the question?
I wanted to ask about my health.
Health, okay.
And my son's nakshatra is Kubba nakshatra Simharashi.
What are you asking, madam? You are showing your horoscope and asking your son's nakshatra.
No.
Why?
Okay.
No, this is not a sankalpa here. I don't do any archana here, okay?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, right, done. So here Rahu Dasha is running for you. And let me look at the health aspect. Rahu has got 1, 4, 12 combination. Let us see it. Rahu 4 is hit.
My age is 50 years.
No problem. Rahu, no problem. Okay. Moon. So what is the issue, madam? Tell me.
Health and my future about.
Health. What is the issue we are facing? Disease.
I am getting some problem about the
Stomach. What kind of problem? You have to specify, because not much problem is there. I will suggest you some remedy.
That is depends upon our ladies' problem.
Oh, menses problem. You are in the menopause time. Acha. Okay, you do one thing. Every Saturday for next 3 months, kindly donate gingerly oil. Okay, that is the first thing. And at the same time, donate radish.
Okay.
Okay. What you have to do by donating the radish, you keep the radish, some 3 or 4. Okay, rotate near your stomach area for 13 times in the clockwise direction. And kindly donate to any poor people. Okay?
Okay.
So that's get removed, and you'll have a comfortable thing, because unlimited bleeding will happen. That is the issue, I think. Okay? Don't worry, this will get stopped. Rahu Chandra, Rahu Guru. Okay. Rahu Saturn is there. Then Mercury comes. Post October, everything will be fine. Okay? Post October, everything will be fine. Okay, let us go to the next call. Namaste. Namaste. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, tell me, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, myself, Hemant Acharya, Prakash Acharya.
Okay, very good. Tell me.
Yeah. So my date of birth is 29th March 1996.
Time?
Time is 1:45 p.m.
Place of birth?
Place of birth is Ponda, Goa. Ponda, Ponda, Ponda.
Ponda. Ponda. Yeah, got it.
Yeah,
Ponda,
yeah.
Goa. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, where do you stay?
I stay in Ponda, Goa.
Right
Actually,
now?
I am from Mangalore, South India.
How is the weather there in Goa?
Goa, it's it's weather is coming, rain is coming there.
Rain
Okay.
started early.
Yeah.
Monsoon started. Okay.
Not
okay.
that much heavy rain. Yes.
Okay. But,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's near to the sea, right? More rain you people have received.
Yeah, climate is good, kind of like here.
Great.
Same
Okay.
to Mangalore also.
Yeah. It's all the Western Ghats area, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the question, sir? Tell me.
Where are you staying, sir? Bangalore?
I am calling from Bangalore. This is a live calling from
Yes.
Bangalore studio only.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, I just need to ask. Actually, my Lagnam is Karkataka Lagna and Karkataka Rashi.
That's great.
And
Correct.
I
Pushya
have
Nakshatra.
Kusha Nakshatra, yeah. I have 5 planets in the 9th house, but
Yeah.
actually my something, whatever I think it is getting delay and or something like that. But actually I am applying for job, but
Okay.
my
I would like to suggest something.
Yeah.
Let there be 5, 3, 2, 1 in your 9th house.
Yeah.
None of the planets will affect you or give you some good thing or bad thing. Out of this, which is the current period which is running?
Yeah.
That is the only thing we have to consider. For example, currently Mercury is running. Okay?
Yeah.
We have to look at only Mercury, where he is
Yeah.
placed, what is his nakshatra into, what is his sublord. Other planets of Sun, Mars, Saturn, Ketu will never affect there. This is the old theory of Parashara. Let us look at what Mercury is. Mercury combination 996. 9 will not give great success. There is a job. Job is not a problem. Mercury is there. After Mercury, you will be getting into Ketu. Ketu is also not so great. So you will always be learning in your course of life. So what changes much is on the Venus front. Venus, because the combination in Venus is great because of 4, 10, 11, 2, 9. Though the hit theory success is less, but the secondary numbers are great. You will see lot of growth from Venus. From 2029, your life will be in the same way, same direction, same highway. It will go to the next higher level from Venus. Okay? Keep on learning new things. 9th house is the house of learning. 9th house is the house of traveling. Keep on traveling here and there. Just learn. Keep a happy life. 2029 onwards, for next 20 years, you can see the greatest growth in your life. Good luck. Okay, let us have a small break and come back and take more calls. Okay? Okay, welcome back. Good evening. Namaste. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Sir, my name is Divakar.
Your name is Gio.
Divakar.
Divakar. Okay, sorry. Yeah, tell me, Divakar.
Sir, I have financial problem and my job is not getting it will get only 6 months and the job will discontinue, sir.
Okay.
But in financial problem, so much problem.
Acha.
I don't know.
Okay. What? Can you give me your date of birth?
That's a 13/1/2000.
13/1/2000. You are just 21 years old.
Yeah, sir.
So what is
I
this
don't
financial
have
burden on you?
Means I only handle my home. I don't have father.
Acha. Okay. Don't worry. Time of birth?
So I'm not getting any this one. My mother and my sister, only we are 3 in home.
Yeah, tell me your time of birth.
Date of birth 13/1/2000.
Ah, that I have taken.
Time around sir 11 night Thursday. Night around 11:40 or 11:50 sir, around that.
Okay, let me take the nearest one. Place of birth.
Place of birth sir. Place of birth and Bangalore sir.
Bangalore.
No.
You stay in Bangalore.
Yeah sir, I'm in Bangalore.
Where are you? What have you studied?
Sir, second PU discontinued sir.
Acha. Ketu has just got over. Let us see Venus 2, 3, 9, 1, 4, 10, 7, 11. Venus 3, 4, 7. You have to get into sales and marketing.
Sales and marketing. Sir.
Yes. 7th house, 3rd house, 4th house gives sales and marketing. And 4th house also you can go for real estate marketing, apartment marketing. You will do very well in sales and marketing. This is the only area you have to go. You have to just enter sales and marketing. That is the only line. Okay. To make lot of money, don't worry, you will definitely make. Chant this mantra. Om Ram Rahuven Namaha for 108 times in the morning, afternoon and evening. And chant this mantra unlimited. Om Hrim Dum Durgaya Namaha. So combinations are very good. Currently I don't see very major problem. You will get into job. The Dasha has started. Dasha combination is quite great. 2, 3, 9, 4, 10. You can get into commission business. You can get into real estate. But sales is better because 7th house is meeting the public, meeting the people. 7th house really great. There is no issue at all. Good luck. Just hold on for one more year. Everything will get right. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir. Tell me. Hello.
I'm speaking to Guruji, sir.
Yeah, Guruji only speaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice to hear your voice, sir. Nice, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me. Date of birth.
Sir, my name is Sai Prasad, sir. 5/12/1989, sir. 5th December 1989. 5/12/1989, sir.
Time of birth.
7:46 a.m., sir.
7:46 a.m. Place of birth.
Yes, sir. Place of birth is Chennai, Adayar, sir. Adayar.
Chennai, Adayar. Oh, this Adayar Anand Bhavan from there. Okay.
Yes, Venkatratham Nagar, sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
got it. Okay. What is the question?
Sir, when will I get married, sir? My parents are searching for my marriage. My party, my my mother's mom is also searching, sir. But when will I get married, sir? That's what I want to know, sir.
Okay, currently Guru Dasha Rahu Bhukti is going on.
Yes, sir.
Under that Jupiter Antar Bhukti is going on. Jupiter, Rahu, Saturn. Let us look at Jupiter.
Yes, sir.
2, 7, 11 combination mixed is there. Jupiter, Rahu. And again Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter, Rahu. Rahu is giving 2, 3, 11. Okay, let me look at the hit theory. Jupiter 7, 2, 8 is there. Rahu, okay, fantastic. Rahu will give definitely marriage. Post Guru at the sub-level end 8 is the hit. After that Saturn will come. Yeah, Saturn will give marriage because 2 is very strong here for Saturn. Yes, it will give with little bit obstacles, but it will get through. Sir, maximum by 11 November 2021. You will get a very good alliance. Nothing to worry. Okay? Fantastic combination is coming. I would suggest you to donate curd for at least every Friday for at least 3 months. And chant this mantra, which is strong. Let me see. Rahu 2, 7. Jupiter 1, 4, 7. That is also weak. Mars 11, 5, 11. Om Hrim Dum Durgaya Namaha. You chant unlimited and wear one red thread to your wrist and kindly wear one moonstone to right hand ring finger. Okay, kindly donate curd. Okay, good luck. This November, very good time. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Namaskara. My name is Jayashree.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm from Bangalore. I have an issue with regarding my job. I lost my job in 2016 and since then I'm unemployed. So my financial situation is very bad. So I'll just give the date of birth, 8 November.
But for last 5 years you are not in job.
Yeah, almost 4 years. Yeah, 2016, half September onwards, I'm not in a job. So I managed, through my sales for the past 2 years. After 2 years, I started a business on my own, a small work from home kind of thing.
Acha. You did that. Okay, great. At least you have specified what you did between this time. Let us look at that parameter and look at the job prospect. Okay.
But then, since from 1 year onwards, 1.5 years or more than that, little more than that, even that is also not doing I can't say it's not doing well, it is totally dead. So, there is nothing at all happening in that front also.
So, basically, you have put your leg in two different boats. One you are trying for job, the other leg is in the business.
I am still into business, trying to improve it, but nothing is happening in that.
Acha, let us go to the horoscope. Please, can you tell me your date of birth and time of birth and place of birth?
Yeah, 8 November 1968. 1967.
8 November 1967. Time of birth?
Time of birth 5:45 a.m. Place of birth? Place of birth Bangalore.
Bangalore?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me look at the combination. Your ascendant is Libra and your moon sign as per the Indian, this one is Capricorn, Uttarashada Nakshatra.
Yeah, correct.
Currently from 2019, Jupiter got over. From 19, Saturn is just started. Saturn, it's quite a weak combination from Jupiter, which was 12 and 5. You have lost a lot of money in Jupiter. But you will be gaining back in Saturn, but in a very slow way because 5th house is not strong. Let me see the combination in Saturn, how well it is placed. 5th house. Lot of credit goes, madam, here. If you do the business, you will not be able to get back the money in the desired time. Okay? I suggest, what kind of business you are doing?
It's consultation, kind of training and consultation.
Okay. Training and consultation. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you give credit for training and consultation? They can pay in installment?
No, nothing like that. No, the payments were prompt and these are all tie-ups with companies.
Okay. Till 2022 March, the same Dasha, same Bhukti will have a mediocre growth. Let us look at Mercury. Will you get a good growth? Yes. There is a breakthrough from 2022 March onwards. 2022 March onwards, there will be a big break. And you can get into job. That is a very good combination for job because the 6th house is hit and the 10th house is hit. 6 is the house of job and 10 with name and fame. You can get back to a very good company. I suggest keep a low profile in your business and only concentrate on job, finding a good job. Post March next year, from there within 3 to 4 months maximum, you will be placed in a very good job. To get that through, kindly chant Om Ram Rahuve Namaha. Then wear one 3, 6, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Okay, wear one right hand index finger, yellow sapphire, then 8 face Rudraksh. Kindly donate gingerly oil on Saturday, banana on Thursday for next 3 months. So intensity currently what you are facing will come down. Post March, your life will be completely in a different road and it will take you to a good destination. Good luck. Namaste.
Namaste, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Usha.
Tell me,
I
madam.
want to know about my daughter.
Yeah.
Her date of birth is 26/10/92.
1992.
Yes.
Ah.
Time 1:38 p.m. Bangalore.
Bangalore.
I want to know about her marriage. So she got married and it was not good and she is going to get separated. I want to know whether she have married life will be good.
Divorce has happened or it's just their separation?
Going to happen. Left applied for divorce.
Physical separation. Okay.
Physical separation.
Saturn Dasha is running. Currently Venus, Saturn 9-9. Venus will it leave? Sun will come 6-10. 11-10. I don't see a strong separation, madam. It's only a physical separation.
No, sir, we applied for divorce. There are a lot of problem with him, sir. She was not.
When did you people applied?
No, last month, June 16th.
You people applied, huh? Let me look at in detail what Saturn. Let us see 1, 2, 12, 7, 9, 6, 9. Dasha is showing 1, 6, no 7, 9. Okay, Saturn hit theory 9 and 9. There might be a couple of reconciliation happened between elders.
We tried, sir. Nothing is working now. So we can't live with him at all. It's such a situation full of bad habits. Everything you can't do. He's not on the rest.
But he'll do all kind of drama, no? What to do for this?
Where is a good drama, sir?
He will go and convince the judge, I will not withdraw, I will not give for this one. All these are showing the other way around, that living this person is not so easy.
He has accepted, sir.
Sorry?
He has come for the mutual consent. Mutual consent, we have given updates, sir. Mutual consent.
Oh, he has come back that I will be a good person.
No.
Or payment ke liye?
No, only mutual consent for divorce.
Consent part. But he will change his mind, madam, based on this. Okay. So you don't want them. Okay. I would suggest you to give one mantra to get rid of this. Let your daughter chant this. Om Kram Kreem Krom Saha Bhaumaya Namaha for 108 times morning, afternoon and evening. It will hardly take 10 minutes of her time. And the combination is not strong enough to go away. That's the combination what I am telling. But can you just tell me a number from 1 to 249? Call got disconnected. Huh? Oh, sorry, I can't help. Madam, you should wait. Okay, done. Let us take the next call.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
My date of birth 10/11.
10/11.
1990.
1990. Time of birth?
3:30 a.m.
Place of birth?
Hubli.
Question?
About my job career, Guruji. And
currently, are you in job or you are searching for a job?
Currently, I'm in job, Guruji, and I'm working also. But I just wanted to know my future.
Future, we cannot say in that way. You are just running this Sun Dasha. 2, 11, 4 combinations. After that, again Moon. You will have a very slow growth, sir. It is not that tomorrow itself you will grow very high. There is a consistent growth. That is great. After Moon, Mars also will take you to the next level. After Mars, Rahu also will take you to the next level. Slowly, you will build up a lot of wealth. Not much to worry on the issue on the job front. To enhance it, I would suggest you to wear one Basra pearl to your right hand. Basra pearl to your right hand ring finger, and go for 9-face Rudrakshi, and always wear one yellow color thread to your right hand. Okay, this will give you prosperity, and always chant this mantra. Om Kem Ketuve Namaha. So you will get good upliftment in your career. But there is consistency. Don't make any hasty decision. Okay, 30 years, slow, step by step, you will grow. Okay, good luck. Namaste. August 1st, we have our classes. Those who are interested, they can join, they can know their future, what is the future in store, what decisions we have to take, we can make. So don't miss this class, because through this app you will come to know what is the combination. I will also train you how to get rid of issues or problem, and how to accept challenges, how to face it, and what is the main decisions we have to take in our life. Please take these classes completely for your life changing, just like a personality development, and astrology will definitely help you to shape up your life. Many youngsters don't believe this. Once they start learning this, understanding this subject and applying in their life, they will definitely be very happy. Our great seers have given a wonderful subject. Namaste.
Hello, sir. Good evening. I am Ali from Coimbatore. I have to ask for my daughter.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, date of birth 8/10/2000.
1 second. 1 second, sir. Tell me the date of birth, sir.
8/10/2000.
Okay, 8/10/2000.
Yeah, morning 9 o'clock, 21 minutes and 14 seconds.
9 o'clock.
21 minutes, 14 seconds.
Okay, 14. Okay. Place of birth?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah.
Currently?
So now she is studying engineering. Hello?
Yeah, tell me, sir. Engineering, okay.
Yeah, she is studying engineering. Next year she will complete. So whether she can go for further studies,
yeah, I'll tell. Okay, don't worry.
job.
Rahu Dasha. Okay, right, done. Got it. Rahu Dasha
Or
and
go
Venus
to
Mukti is
abroad.
running. Rahu Dasha, Venus. Venus is showing a very mediocre thing, but Rahu, education wise, 2 is there, 5 is there, 11 is there, 12 is there. Rahu predominantly gives abroad because can he can she get into MBA studies?
Okay, so in the business,
Yeah. BE plus MBA.
Oh, okay, not for MS.
Not for MS, because she will be somewhere inclined to get into MBA over a period of time.
Okay.
You can ask her over a period of time. She might
So
say
no,
MS.
whether she can go abroad and settle there or what? How it
Abroad settlement in Rahu is definitely there. Okay, Rahu is a planet till 2027. It will give go and settling there. Probably between 2021 October, if she finishes fast. Otherwise, till 2022 May also is a very good time. Abroad settlement is not a problem.
Complete. 22 only she will complete her degree BE.
Okay.
After that only.
22 only she will complete.
Next Dasha, Guru Dasha with Guruji.
So Guru is excellent. Excellent married life. Combination is excellent. Guru is excellent. Okay. My suggestion is she can take up this MBA or she can take up this business analyst course. If she gets into MS, she can get into all this kind of combination. Okay. Life is very good, sir. She will be in abroad. Post 23. Namaste. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Tell me, sir.
Hello, this is Ravi here.
Yeah, tell me, Ravi. I'm able to hear you.
So it's 28 to 8.
28. Okay.
Yeah, 2809.
Okay.
1973.
Okay. Time of birth.
9:30 p.m.
Place of birth.
Cool.
Okay. What is the question?
Sir, it's regarding the career.
Okay.
Actually, I had called you earlier and my mother was overhearing the conversation. So she said Guruji has probably taken by mistake 20th as a date, 20. So I wanted to confirm it is 28.
Okay. Saturn Dasha is running.
Yeah.
Rahu Bhukti. Saturn 282. Rahu 828. Okay. Where is the technical line?
No, I am into training and HR.
Okay. What type of training?
I'm into soft skills and automobile related training.
Oh, automobile is also technical, right? Sorry?
Trainings.
So whatever you are in on the technical front, teaching technicality, right?
Yeah, you can say.
Yeah. Because that Saturn is showing the 8th house. 8th house is the house of technical.
Okay.
Okay. Training is the second part, second house, teaching them how to handle it, how to bring out productivity.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. So Saturn and Rahu, what is the question?
So the thing is, I was in a very senior position, but ultimately I had to leave that due to some dispute with the owner. So there was an argument, but now I want to know, like after that, you had told me that only in 2023 I'll have a better chance. So I wanted to just confirm that.
Currently, I am not able to recollect what input on the date of birth I had put, but based on this, let us discuss. Okay. See, Saturn Dasha has got a wonderful combination of 2, 10, 11, 2, 8, 10, 11, 2, 10, 11. And when we go to the next Dasha, which is showing more of 2, 3, 5, 12, 2, 3, 5, 12, this shows not a great improvement in career, not a great improvement in your designation, but definitely you can try for abroad. This calls for a abroad settlement. Go outside and settle over there. Is there any chance in your career where you can go and settle there or get into that line?
No, currently not really, but I can try. But the thing is, if I stay back, what are the options, sir, actually?
If you stay back, the financial condition will come down very badly. Whatever currently you are doing, it will go completely down. At least to some other cities in India. Move out to some other city. Getting into some other city will safeguard this combination, because 2, 3, 5, 7, 12, 2, 3, 5 with the combination hit of 5, 12, 5. 12 is the away from home. 5 is also intelligence and training. So somewhere you have to go away from your hometown and make a living. From there is good growth. But what limelight you are in Saturn, that is gone, because Saturn is really excellent. Saturn was really excellent, and let me see, from 2006, which started 2006, there was a breakthrough in your career. Till 2025 it will drag on. So till 2025 not to worry much. You will have this setback, because the dasha is setting for your next dasha, which is not so great. So you have to accept the reality and sail through the conditions what is shown in the horoscope. Not to bog down in terms of the achievement. Don't worry, whatever has been happened. But the next dasha might not give you designation and great career, but it will give you different area of life where you will be enjoying. Enjoyment in life is shown in Buddha dasha. You will enjoy a lot. Initially the cribbing will be there, but definitely, see, this is what astrology helps us. This is what learning this subject helps us. People fail, people go down, usually at the fag end of the dasha, and if the next dasha is really great, from the current position they might be in X position, they will go to the Y, Z position in the higher way. Sometimes we will come down, we will come to the A balance back to square one, but certain dasha will give us a different happiness. We have to look in that angle. What kind of happiness? There is a lot of good happiness which happens in a next dasha. So life is to just enjoy. Position, money, everything is fine. Along with that you get more money. Sometimes what happens, the next dasha will give you more happiness with less money. Accept life, see what is in store, make some remedies, make some chanting or donation based on the requirement, and we have to move on. Whenever there is a good time, enjoy. Whenever there is a bad time, still enjoy. Everything is on enjoyment, how we perceive. So astrology helps us better to perceive our life and how to take it up. So there is a classes, whenever, if you join this class, if all the people will join this class, definitely you will have a great insight into your life, and you can plan your life much ahead with complete happiness. So time's up. So let us wind up the program. So good night, have a good sleep, peaceful sleep. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.